Welcome back traders, what's going on? In the previous lecture, I have discussed about the basic understanding of technical analysis in the financial market. So in this lecture today, I am going to tell you about the importance and advantage of technical analysis. Technical analysis helps in understanding the market sentiment, which is based on human psychology. So let's begin for these kinds of importance. Technical analysis in simple terms means that the study of candlestick pattern, chart patterns, support and resistance and other indicators. And this analysis is commonly and widely used for equity, forex and commodity market traders for short-term as well as long-term trade. It has led to increased profit, and this has become the reason that more and more people now learning the skill of technical analysis to earn maximum profit from this market. After doing good study of technical indicators, you can easily identify the market trend reversal and measure top or measure down. Technical analysis is like weather forecast. Suppose when today there is more chance for rain, then before we go out from house we prepare for rain. On the same way, technical analysis give you guide for stock trading, currency trading and long-term investment. Technical analysis is being easy for trade any kinds of financial market. So you can study of technical analysis for huge earning money from those markets. Well, there are many advantages of technical analysis, but I am going to tell you some of the major advantages of technical analysis. So trend analysis. The biggest advantage of technical analysis is that help you to predict the market trend and pattern. So you can make investment and trading decision based on your analysis. The market trend is the general direction of market moving. A market can trend three directions: uptrend, downtrend and sideways trend. That moves of the market are very easy to predict and help to chart analysis. A market that is said to be an uptrend typically will be making higher high and higher lows, as the market downtrend will be making lower high and lower lows, and the market sideways will not be making any significant progress higher or lower. Entry and exit point. Time placed is important role for trading and investing. It will help you predict the right time to enter and exit for enabling good return. Chart patterns, candlestick, moving average and other indicators are very useful for you to make entry and exit points. Provides early signal. In this analysis give you early signals about the psychology of you to regarding what you are doing. Price volume analysis also indicates the movement of market makers and their activities related to the particular market. Another main advantage of technical analysis is that it gives an early signals when it comes to trend reversal, so that you can take decision based on those signals. Quick and less expensive. In currency trading, technical analysis is less expensive as compared to the fundamental analysis, and there are so many companies that provide free charting software. Technical analysis gives a quick result for you to use short-term trade, provides lots of information. Technical analysis is helpful for short-term trading, swing trading, long-term investing, etc. Technical charts provides a lots of information that helps to build your trading position. It also provides information like support, resistance, and chart patterns, momentum of the market, volatility, etc. Those types of information are provide you the best opportunity to trade in the financial market. Stop loss and target. Technical analysis clearly defines the stop loss and target for the position taken in the market. Set the stop loss and initial profit target is mitigate the FD individual trading risk. Technical analysis is the preferred tool for short-term traders and implement the method in multiple markets and time frame. So not more today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.